Ladies and gentlemen, I have been preparing weeks to be able to record today's video. You've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. In today's video, I am going to try to beat the Ender Dragon. And not just that.
No.
We are in my Minecraft world. Yes. Yep, it's that Minecraft world where Crainer has a house that's upside down. Wait, what? What happened here? And Sloga has a really modern brick house. Really ugly. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This is New Countdown, this series that I started on my own and then got infiltrated and I got trolled many times. As you guys can see, I've done small little upgrades to Area 51, my favorite base. Why is there a sign here? Hi, Jelly. If you have my time, please give them back. I have no idea who this is and what he's talking about. Anyway, let's have a look inside of my base, shall we? Oh, that doesn't work, does it? Yeah. More signs? Your Area 51 was lacking aliens, so I added some to your secret base. Have fun, buddy. Trainer. Oh, come on. Where are the aliens, though? I really don't get it. No, is he in my basement? Crainer, do something in my basement. Did he place aliens? Aliens don't exist in Minecraft, Crainer. Why is it dark in here? Oh, are you kidding me? No! No! Looks like somebody turned the lights off. I guess the mobs are the aliens? There's a couple more down here. Seriously? Why are there holes in my base? What has happened here? I'm so sick and tired. Oh my god. Okay, yep. My lava is gone. My secret base is ruined. People have been snooping around in my chests, but don't worry, I hid my diamonds somewhere else. Seriously, zombies again? Ugh. Okay, listen. I'm gonna spend another day and some other time to fix this stupid secret base that everybody knows about that is not so secret anymore. In fact, I'm gonna need a lot more time to fix Area 51, to make it the greatest military base Minecraft ever seen, yes. But like I said, I'm going to the end. I'm gonna beat the Ender Dragon, ladies and gentlemen. I've prepared some small things. Beds. Yes, not to sleep on, no. These do a lot of damage. You see, in the end, they explode. Ender pearls. Yes, we're gonna need them. But we're gonna have to turn them into ender eyes first, so we're gonna have to go to the nether. We've got a bow and some arrows, a water bucket, some iron, and a pumpkin and shears. I'll explain in a bit why we need those. First things first, let's go and get my Let's go and get my diamonds that in the previous episode I hid in the nether. I saw some people complaining about the fact that nobody uses their diamonds. We're just fighting about them constantly and not actually using them. Well, I'm gonna use them today. I'm gonna turn them into a sword. I'm gonna need it to kill the Ender Dragon. All right, here we are. Blip, blip. Oh, very secretive. Out we go, but not this way. Nope, those are mines. We go this way. I'm gonna have to kill some blaze rods while we're in there. Here we are! Do not steal my diamonds, please! Nobody took them! Great, nobody stole my diamonds. Now let's go and hunt, no. Okay, yeah. Ow! I said, let's go and hunt some blaze rods. Should I wear, like, golden boots or something? Doesn't that help against those things? Blaze rods! Oh, I hate the nether. It's so dark in here. I have a better idea. I'm taking my diamonds, I'm getting some tools made, and I'm bringing my bow and arrow. Bleep, blop. Oh! All right! I think we're ready to go. I got a shield, too. You see? Wow. Looking great. All right, I'm a little bit more prepared this time. Now I'm ready for the battle. Although first we need blaze rods. I haven't seen nothing yet. I've just left a little torch trail to know my way back home. But, this is taking a little while, man. Oh, yes! Nether fortress. I think most nether fortresses will have blaze rod spawns. So this shouldn't be all that hard. Hello. Oh! All right, should we get inside? I might want to make a safe entry, though. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's go look for some blaze rods. We got a chest here, though. That's kind of nice. Aha! Gold. Really useless, actually. I really don't need it. Please tell me this one will have blaze rods. Ay. Hello? Yes! This is good. Oh, that's not good, though. Don't shields work against these things? Okay, we gotta look for the spawner. Try the shield. Nope. Yes, it does work. Is there anything left? No. Left is safe. Right is not safe. There's a wither skeleton in front of me. Oh, more wither skeletons. I think the spawner's like above me. I can literally hear it. Oh my god, I'm getting really close. There they are. Oh, that's a lot of them. Oh, I got one. Yes. That's all I need. I need a couple of those. Yes. Okay, I gotta get safe. Oh, wow, I'm doing this, boys. I'm really good at Minecraft, you see? I'm pro. I have 3, which means 6. Nice. Almost done. All right. Okay, all right. That's all the blaze rods I need. Perfect. And now, the most important part. Blaze powder with ender pearl. Oh, they are upstairs. Okay. Ender pearl, blaze powder. Is 10 enough? I hope it's enough. Blah! Yeah, boy! Alright, now let's gear up and find Ender Dragon. Yup, we gotta go to the end portal, boys. Now, like I said, I was gonna bring a pumpkin because when you put a pumpkin on a floor and you use shears on it, you get a carved pumpkin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if I put this... I know this is really annoying. On my head, then Enderman can see that I'm looking at him. This is the most genius way to play in the end. All right, but for now, we'll take it off before we find the portal. Let's go. Which way was it again? That way, right? Yeah, this way. Oh, okay. Yep, still that way. Oh, a village. Potentially a new town to move to in the future. Ender Pearl? Wait a minute. Ender Pearl went a different way. Okay, wait. No way! That was relatively quick. That was only like 7-8 minutes. I guess we dig down. All right, let's go ahead and find that stronghold. It can't be very far. Wait, I made it to a cave. No ender dragon. Or I mean strong. Oh, wait! Look at this! we're actually here. Okay, all right, we found a stronghold, guys. Next thing we need is to actually find that portal and still not die. Shouldn't be that hard. Hey, I spy! I got the new achievement, boys. We find the portal. We place the pearls. And that's it, I guess. Oh, okay. I like this. We found like a bookshelf room. We can use these, bring them back, and potentially make a nice enchant room, right? That's a good idea. Yes, Jelly, yes. Here it is. Ooh, fire protection, quick charge. I could use that for the fight, but I'll just bring it. I don't have one of those enchant tables with me, so yeah, that's not gonna be great. I'll try to beat the dragon. If I die, well, then I'll come back with... Ah! Okay, if I die, then I'll come back with more stupid silverfish. I forgot about those. And... nothing. Great. Just a couple of prison cells. And... come on! Oh! I found it. I actually found it. What's up? End portal. Yes! Alright, let's kill this stupid thing. Okay, how many eyes do we need? I have 9. We need more. I'm missing 2. Are you actually serious? Oh, come on! Come on! I lost 1 in the process, and I need 2 more. Oh, okay. I'll be right back. At least I know where it is now. I'll go back to the nether, find an enderman, and I'll come back in a little bit. Okay, we're back! All right. This time we'll do it. Boom! Yes! Yes! Oh, am I ready for the battle or what? I think I am. I have snowballs. I have a bow and arrow. I have a diamond sword, a water bucket. Wait, the water bucket will place there. I mean, as number 1. There you go. I should probably cover this up. There we go. And last but not least, my pumpkin helm. I know, looks really stupid. Push me in, silverfish. Yes! There we are. Trust me, this thing is gonna be really useful if it works. Okay, YouTube tutorial said that this would work, so it'll probably work. We'll just have to play third person, otherwise I can't see anything. But hey, Enderman won't see me.
Ender Dragon, I'm coming for you.
Here we are. Does it work? It works! It works! It actually works. Great! Alright, obviously I gotta be careful for Mr. Ender Dragon. He's gonna try to kill me. Also, I hope I brought enough food. Alright, there he is! There he is. Okay, number 1. I can't see anything. I have no idea what I'm doing. Wait, we'll do it like this. We'll take it off. We'll break 1 healer. Yes! And we'll put it back on. Yes! Dude, this is gonna be easy, guys. It'll just take a little... Hey! I thought they wouldn't... Did I hit one of them with my arrows? Is that what happened? Yeah! This is so easy, guys. Like, I'm not even kidding. This is literally easy. Just gotta run around a little bit, you know, shoot. I think I got enough arrows. You take the helmet off for these guys because they're just a little bit more difficult to aim. Yes! I actually did damage to the Ender Dragon by blowing that one up. I think I got my last one here, guys. The last healer. I just seriously can't see anything. Whoop! I saw that! Oh, I think I got it. I literally think I got it. All right, now all the healers are gone. This is like cheating the end. All I gotta do is wait a little bit for Mr. Ender Dragon to come to his little area, and I'll start hitting him with my diamond sword. As easy as that. I haven't taken any damage yet. Oh, wait, I forgot the beds. Ah, that would have been a little bit quicker. Anyway, I have all day. Come on. Sit right here. Oh, okay. I messed up there. The water bucket thing is not really that easy in third person. I realize that now. I guess I'll just keep shooting arrows at him. I mean, that's a little bit of damage, you know. It's okay. Try number 2. All right, here we go. Here we go. Just doing some damage. There we go. There we go. I can't see anything, but as you can see, the health bar is going down really quickly as well. This is so easy. Anybody can do this. Look at that! Yo, I'm gonna be the first person to beat the Ender Dragon in this Minecraft server. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. All right, let's just keep shooting at him with some arrows until he comes back. Here he is! Here he is! Oh. Okay. All right, don't hit me, boy. Don't hit me, all right? I'm being nice. I'm being nice. I just want to kill you. It's okay. Don't hit me with those wings, okay? I got you, boy. It's okay, Ender Dragon. Whoa! Hey, look at that. I'm a pro. Oh! Oh, come on. No! Okay. He is on 20% of his health. It's pretty good. We'll just go in there again. Yeah! You got nothing against me, Ender Dragon. You have nothing against me and my pumpkin. Yeah! See, we don't lose items in our version of the game, so this is so easy. Here he comes again. Here he comes again. Don't hit me, okay? It would be very kind of you if I could just kill you right... Seriously? Oh, there we go. It would be very kind of you, sir, if I could just quickly kill you. Sir. Yes. Oh my god, he is almost dead. Honestly, guys, the carved pumpkin head is like the best trick ever because the Endermen are just annoying, you know? Only one more hit. We've done it. We have done it, ladies and gentlemen. The Ender Dragon, look at him. He's dead. He is dead. Oh, that was insane. Yeah, look at my levels. I'm level 62. All right, well, now that we beat the Ender Dragon, in the next episode, I'm gonna try to find the Elytra. And with the Elytra, I'm going to be the strongest Minecraft pro in my beautiful Minecraft survival series. I hope you enjoyed this video. With 100,000 likes, I'll upload another one, and it's time for the credits. Does anybody actually read these? Oh, this is going way too slow. It took 5 minutes for the text to show up. Anyway, click here for another video. Click right now. I beat the Ender Dragon in my survival series. Wow, I can't believe it. I'm really good.